Hello, and welcome to section 5 of this course, which is an introduction to 2D drawings. This section will teach you how to create 2D drawings of your 3D models. First, we will learn how to create a new drawing file. Then we will import our 3D models into our 2D drawing to create view layout. Next, we will learn how to create other view layouts such as projected view, auxiliary view, section view, detail view, broken out section view, and crop view. After that, we will learn how to add dimensions, annotations, centerline, center mark, and bill of materials to our drawing. Next, we will talk about how we can format our drawing sheet and drawing scale. And finally, I will show you how to break and reassign drawing alignments, hide and show drawing views, and also how to delete drawing views. With that, I will complete this section intro here. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next lecture. Bye.